In this video, I'll walk you through simple step-by-step approaches on how to create your own YouTube channel. If you're still wondering why you should start a channel, then we've made a video like that specially for you. You can find it right here. That being said, let's dive in. Hello there, it's Michael from Wikipedia. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new on this channel, we support you on your YouTube growth. And if you haven't watched our intro video, you can find it in the description box. With this review, let's continue. If you're thinking of making money on YouTube, then you ought to understand that there's a difference between a YouTube account and a YouTube channel. While a YouTube account gives you access to watching, subscribing, liking, and commenting on videos, YouTube channel gives you online presence. While a YouTube account cannot be monetized, a YouTube channel can. But you cannot create a YouTube channel without having a YouTube account. That's because a YouTube account gives you access to creating a YouTube channel. Once you understand this difference, it takes us to step number 1, signing in or creating your own Google account. To do this, simply locate your Google Chrome on your desktop, and you need to be connected to be able to access this feature. You can do this on your phone or PC, whatever you choose to use, and key in www.youtube.com and load it. This will take you to this particular interface where you have this sign in option. Clicking on the sign in option will take you to this particular page. Now, if you already have an account you want to sign into, you can simply log in, but if you don't have, you can choose to create a new Google account. Creating a new Google account takes you to creating a personal account, an account for your child or for work or business. Now, I strongly recommend you to create an account for your work or business. So, because this one gives you access to having more than, especially if you plan to have more than one channel, you know, all your admins could just log in at different intervals. But if you create a personal account, then for any other person to access it, you need to give them your logins. This takes you to this particular interface where you choose a name for your business. I'm not going to create a new account. I have an email I'm going to use for this particular video, so I'm just simply going to log in. And if you also have your own email address already, you can simply sign in automatically. Once you are logged in, it takes you to this YouTube interface. At the right hand corner right here, look at the mouse. Yeah, you're going to see your picture box with the first letter of your email address that you provided. But if you've added a picture, you see your own picture there. Click on the icon there. It takes you to this particular box here where you get to create a channel. Now, what you did was to create an account. Now you get to create your channel. Click on the create a channel. It takes you to this particular box here where you choose the name for your channel. Once you've chosen the name, your desired name, hit on create channel right here. You let it load. Once it's done, it's going to take you to this interface right here. Now, in this interface, you get to see this icon here, which you can choose to add your profile picture. This is your home. All videos uploaded are going to appear under home. You can check other videos. If you have community posts, are also going to appear there. You have your playlist and your channel, your about. If you hit on the about channel, it tells you the date you created the channel and everything. Simply hit on the customize channel for more details, where you have a lot of options. Once you are on this particular page, it tells you welcome to your YouTube studio. And the YouTube studio is where you are going to do everything that concerns your channel. You can customize your channel. Like it says there, YouTube studio has personalized insights, the latest news and insider tips, analytics and more. This is where the real thing happens. In this particular area, you get to customize customize your layout, your branding, your basic info, we're going to make a separate video to teach you how to make use of all these tabs. You know, you get to choose your channel trailer. You can make a special trailer for all your visitors, and if you want to do a featured video so that people who have subscribed already and are still coming back to your channel or watch, you get to add it here. Under the branding tab, you get to choose your own profile picture right here. You can as well choose your banner image. You can choose your watermark. This watermark helps you add the subscribe button so that if anybody clicks on it, it automatically takes them to your subscribe button. Those are basically the steps involved in creating your own monetizable channel. Now, if you found this video interesting, give it a thumbs up and please do share this video. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon so that you will never miss any of our contents. Now, you've created your brand new YouTube channel. Congratulations. But do you know that if you don't customize this channel, then the YouTube algorithm is not really going to push it out for you? So how do you customize a channel that gets at the top of the algorithm? We're going to bring that to you in the next video. I'll see you and thank you for watching.